Hi, this is Dr. Nelson from Nelson Chiropractic, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about Stemwave and its shockwave therapy and what it does and why we're bringing it into our practice at Nelson Chiropractic. Okay, so let's get into it. So the goal of Stemwave is to reduce pain and to reduce inflammation because chronic pain affects your life. And there are patients that we can help with pain, of course, and we do all the time, but there's sometimes when there's a limitation of matter, for example, if someone needs a knee replacement or if they're recovering from a major injury, that they just cannot quite kind of get ahead of the pain and the inflammation. And it affects their life. And chronic pain can become depressing and just really decrease your quality of life. And our options are not necessarily always great. So taking pain medication is not healthy. It doesn't fix the problem. So the goal of Stemwave is to give you your life back and to reduce inflammation. So let's talk about how we do that. The question is getting you back can it help you get back to the things that you want to do that you're struggling with your pain, and getting you back to doing the things that you love. So first we need to understand the root cause, and the cause of pain is inflammation, and inflammation causes symptoms that we experience every day. So pain that just never goes away, stiffness, achiness and stiffness that decreases our mobility, and swelling then causes more pain. So if you have pain, you have swelling, which causes more pain and swelling. So Stemwave technology is designed to address those symptoms and the root cause of them, the inflammation itself. Stemwave works using technology that's harmless, but it sends powerful shock waves in a very tiny space to activate your body's natural healing. So it sort of fakes you out and makes you think that you're being injured. And so your body reacts with the healing agents very quickly, but it doesn't actually, there's no injury happening. So they're targeted waves that allow us to precisely locate and address the root cause of your pain, okay? So the benefits of it, it reduces inflammation in a very specific area. It reduces pain and it increases your range of motion because that swelling goes out of there. So a lot of patients after 20 to 30 or improve 20 to 30% just in their first treatment. So the long-term benefits though, the more we do it, it actually heals different joints and things like that. So you have all of the short-term benefits, plus you have an increase in blood flow. You have the growth factor, so all of the healing agents come that allow your body to heal itself. Tissue actually can regenerate, almost like it's kind of scarring up. It's healing itself, and a lot of times stronger. So it enhances just the growth and the synthesis of collagen as it heals, and it breaks up calcification, soft tissue calcification that causes a lot of pain in itself. So it's non-invasive. There's no drugs. There's nothing being put into your body. It's allowing and activating your body's own natural healing, which accelerates healing, reduces inflammation. There's no negative side effects. I mean, occasionally, if it's very tender to touch, then it would not feel the best to have it done, but there's no pain specifically in it. There's no recovery time. It's like the treatment is done, and often there is a lot of improvement immediately. So all of these things help you get back to the things that you love and helps your adjustments work better for sure. Very safe and effective, as opposed to taking medication that covers up the pain, doesn't fix anything, doesn't get inflammation out of there, injections that they just manage the pain as well, and they don't, they're not without issues, right? There's risk to sticking something into a joint. And then surgery, surgery, a lot of people surgery is not an option for whatever reason, whether there's a heart issue, expense or less wages or lifestyle, different things like that. Like surgery is not an option for them. And so this is a really, really amazing option that does have long-term benefits. Okay, so what do you expect? So you come in, the first treatment we call a discovery visit, an introduction visit, and as we are performing it on you, we can see the areas that need that. So we kind of map it out sort of, and as we're kind of screening the joint, we are seeing what kind of treatment it needs all at the same time. And you'll find out what's causing your pain. You'll find out if we can help you. Are you a candidate for this treatment? You'll find out. And then you know, how long does it take? The treatments are very short, 10 to 15 minutes. And then the cost, that just depends on what, you know, what you have going on and what you need. But we'll do that in the office. We'll talk you through those different things and find out if it's something that could help you. So if you're ready to start this, some of the treatments that or the ailments, so to speak, that people benefit from is, you know, a lot of knee issues and shoulder and bursitis and plantar fasciitis, carpal tunnel, different things like that. Any kind of swelling, inflammation, or chronic joint pain, we can work on with you. So $49 is your introduction, your discovery rate, and that will tell you if you're a candidate. And if that's the case, we'll kind of tell you sort of what you need and discuss different package options for you. Just like every technology that works, every new technology, insurance does not cover this because insurance doesn't do a lot of things we need it to do. So flex spending should cover it, and we can help you figure all that out too. So again, it's just $49 to see if it will help you, and we'll be starting these treatments in our office in December. So let us know if you have any questions about Stemwave. Thank you.